this channel. If you're new here, this is Cora's Life. Today we're going to be making some coconut cookies. These cookies are super quick and easy and really chewy. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
For these cookies, we're going to need some flour, baking powder, salt, brown sugar, egg yolk, butter, coconut milk, and shredded coconut chips. We're going to start by adding 1.5 cups of flour with 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cups of sugar. You want to whisk that really well and set it to the side. To the flour mixture, you want to add 1/2 cup of butter and mix it to a crumbly consistency. Next, to the flour mixture, you want to add 2 egg yolks and 1.5 cups of coconut milk. You want to mix this really well. The coconut milk will help create that chewy and fluffy consistency. You want to then fold in 1.5 cups of coconut chips. You want to then pick up some of the cookie dough and place it on a baking pan with wax paper on top. I am also placing some coconut chips on top of some of the cookies for decorations. You want to then bake these cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden brown. After about 20 minutes, these cookies are done and they are just simply very delicious. They taste great with milk or tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.